Embarking on your investment journey with just $100 commences. With cultivating the right mindset, many people choose to wait because they believe that they should have a substantial amount of money before starting to invest. But the truth is that small beginnings carry more significance than timing. When you invest your initial $100 in the market, you take the initial steps towards taking control of your financial future. The first lesson is that investing doesn't hinge on the size of your wallet. Rather, it lies in the strength of your habits. Even the tiniest seeds can, with time and care, grow high into a towering tree. So do not underestimate this. Begin with a clear goal and ask yourself the reasons why you want to invest. Maybe it's for the freedom of retirement, traveling with family, or simply for learning a skill. When your purpose is clear, your behavior will become stable and consistent. Once you've identified your motivation, you'll need a simple and secure place to make your investment. Most beginners opt to commence their investment journey by opening an online brokerage account or using a mobile app on their phones. Select a platform that charges low fees and provides fractional shares, allowing you to purchase portions of stocks instead of entire shares. This makes your $100 more adaptable and versatile. After opening the account, you might want to consider investing your funds in a broader market fund. These funds are referred to as index funds or exchange traded funds (ETFs). They include multiple companies within a single portfolio. This approach helps to diversify your risks and enhances the likelihood of achieving stable growth. Instead of seeking a single perfect company, you can invest in hundreds or even thousands of them simultaneously. This is how average people invest in a smart way. A total market ETF allows you to participate in the long-term growth of businesses globally, and it comes with extremely low costs. Now, depositing your initial $100 serves as the cornerstone for building your foundation. But the true strength actually stems from consistency. Many people hold the view that investing is a one-time act, but the best investors regard it as a lifelong pursuit. They add a small amount each month, like $25 or $50, as a regular habit. Mastery is achieved through repetition, much like learning a language, training a muscle, or mastering an instrument. When you keep investing, the ups and downs of the market no longer scare you. Instead, they become a normal part of the process. Just like the weather and the changing of seasons, growth is a process where rain, winter, and sunshine all have their own meanings and purposes. Time has the magic to transform your every tiny step into a remarkable and powerful journey. Investing imparts valuable lessons in patience, discipline, and perspective. Sometimes, when the market surges, it fills you with a sense of elation. At other times, when it dips, it stirs up a well of worry within you. However, history has repeatedly demonstrated that long-term investors typically emerge victorious. In London, don't stop when things seem at their worst. The most crucial thing is time. Your $100 isn't about getting rich overnight. It's all about preparing your future self to make prudent and composed decisions. For just $100, you can master the principle of dollar-cost averaging. This means making regular investments of the same amount regardless of the market price. When prices go down, you can purchase more shares. When prices go up, you'll purchase fewer items. However, regardless of the price situation, you should consistently build up your portfolio. This helps to smooth out emotions and alleviate uncertainty. And research indicates that it stands out as one of the most effective strategies, tailored for beginners. You don't have to guess the ideal moment because no one can really figure it out. Even seasoned professionals struggle to consistently predict short-term market movements. Instead, let time take on the arduous task and have faith that the global economy will expand over the decades. Historically, broad market funds have witnessed an upward trend as businesses engage in innovation, recruit employees, and generate new value. As the world continues to expand, your investments will grow in tandem. As you keep adding funds, your returns will start to generate additional returns. This phenomenon is known as compounding. Imagine earning $5 on your initial $100 investment, and then going on to earn even more, not only on the original 100, but also on the new 105. Compounding is the silent yet powerful magic that lies behind the wealth building stories of ordinary individuals who have achieved financial freedom. They didn't rely on luck. Instead, they counted on time and consistency. Keep in mind that every dollar you invest is like hiring a future worker to serve you. These workers never sleep. Instead, they keep growing, reproducing, and creating even more value. All you need to do is to allow them to work without any interruptions. The biggest enemy is impatience. Those who withdraw due to fear often end up locking in their losses. Those who remain calm typically recover and stand to gain from future growth, while others may struggle. To make things easier, automate your investment schedule. Let the app automatically deduct money from your bank account at a set time. This eliminates the need for extra effort and emotional investment, much like brushing your teeth. It simply turns into a routine, a matter of consistent practice. Substance matters more than speed. Slow and steady steps will outperform no steps at all. Your $100 start serves as proof that you're cultivating a habit. Many people spend more than that on entertainment during a weekend. However, an investor can utilize the same modest amount of capital to construct a future brimming with significance. This choice sets you apart and gives you an edge. Your money starts working for you well ahead of others, allowing you to gain an early advantage. Finally, I've come to understand that investing is all about behavior, not intelligence. Your ability to remain calm and composed holds far greater significance than your capacity to forecast trends. Wise actions outshine mere clever speculations. Research indicates that even ordinary investors who adopt a buy and hold strategy with broad-based funds tend to outperform the majority of active traders in the long run. Your advantage lies in patient self-discipline and quiet self-confidence. Now, you might be wondering which specific assets to select with your $100. Always bear in mind that simplicity holds the key to strength. Select one or two broad-based ETFs that track a large number of companies. Some tracks cover the entire market, while others focus on specific regions such as the United States, Europe, or emerging countries. For beginners, a total market or large cap index ETF is generally sufficient because it reflects the stable and continuous growth of the overall economy. This approach not only saves time and reduces stress, but also steers clear of the pitfalls of chasing after trends or blindly guessing the winners. If you're eager to gain more in-depth knowledge, you can start by delving into fundamental concepts such as risk diversification and expense ratios. Don't let complexity hold you back from taking action. Learning comes from doing. Begin with small steps. Engage in learning, make adjustments, and then repeat the process. You may have heard that some people are making quick bucks through meme stocks or high-risk tokens. But keep in mind that they seldom disclose losses, which are frequently greater than the gains. Quick success stories often catch people's attention, but it is the long-term and steady success that truly builds wealth. Investing isn't a race. It's a long-distance hike. Take your time along the way. You learn how the markets respond to news and how people react emotionally, and how discipline keeps you safe while others are in a panic. Staying steady and purchasing quality assets at fair prices is sufficient. Technology companies, energy sectors, healthcare industries, consumer goods markets, and finance fields are all vital components of the modern economy. Over time, all these sectors move in tandem. When some decline, others ascend. This balance safeguards your investment portfolio, allowing you to enjoy peaceful slumber. Your initial 100 interactions offer you a comprehensive exposure to this entire system. Eventually, as you mature and progress through life, you might explore retirement accounts such as individual retirement account IRAs. or 401k plans. Depending on your country, these options offer tax advantages and greater long-term benefits. But the core principles remain the same: start early, contribute regularly, and stay calm over the decades. You will encounter recessions, face fears, deal with economic bubbles, and have to sift through noisy predictions. Ignore the noise and trust in the power of human creativity embedded in history. Keep pushing forward and driving the world ahead. People build tools, develop medicines, create software, design transportation systems, harness energy, and pioneer new lifestyles. Your investment rides on the waves of momentum. As the world keeps advancing and expanding, your money grows right alongside it. When you reinvest all your dividends, your shares will keep growing effortlessly. This approach is akin to sowing seeds that multiply with each passing season, generating energy without the need for constant exertion. Initially, the growth appears rather insignificant. However, after a span of 5 years, it becomes quite noticeable. After a decade, it exudes a profound sense of power. After 2 decades, it blossoms into a state of freedom. Sometimes, it's quite normal for you to worry about losing money. Every investor goes through the emotions of fear. The key lies in having the right perspective. Understand that short-term drops are merely transient, while long-term growth endures. Looking at history, the markets have fallen sharply each time, only to recover even stronger afterwards. Patience serves as your shield. When others lose their cool and panic, you learn to remain steady. Your initial $100 serves as a valuable training resource, and with each passing month, you enhance your skills. Always bear in mind that your goal lies in the direction rather than the speed. A slow yet steady journey in the right direction is far better than a hasty one that goes astray. You're cultivating a habit that will endure for decades, and this habit stands as the most invaluable asset of all. Don't compare your progress with others. Everyone is on a different journey, with their own unique timeline. Begin right where you stand, making use of what you possess at hand. Every single contribution you make is like a brick, laying the groundwork for your future. Even the smallest bricks can gradually build a solid wall over time. Imagine looking back at this very moment 10 years from now. You started with just $100. You'll come to realize that the decision was far more crucial than the amount. That initial deposit brought about a significant change. You've transitioned your identity from a spender to an investor, and this new identity in turn molds your actions. You earn, you invest, and you grow. Eventually, your money starts to support you, rather than you having to constantly work for it. Investing is like forging a lifelong bond with your future self. When you invest today, you're granting your future self the precious gifts of freedom, time, choice, and security. One day, you may desire to work less, embark on travels, support your family, and explore your dreams. Your investments pave the way for all these possibilities. That's precisely why this journey holds such great significance. Even though the number may seem insignificant at present, it serves as a powerful symbol of commitment, curiosity, and courage. Your future self will be grateful to you for starting early. There will be moments in life when everything seems in a complete mess, yet the good habits endures. Keep investing bit by bit. This consistent rhythm of investment quietly accumulates wealth. Years later, your friends may spot the changes and can't help but wonder how you pulled it off. The truth is simple. You took the initiative, you remained consistent, and you trusted the power of time. In the end, investing with $100 could be a viable option. It's not about mastering the markets, it's about mastering yourself. Patience is the wellspring of strength, discipline is the treasure trove of wealth, and trust is the cornerstone of power. Embark on your journey today. Keep evolving and growing. When you're all set, subscribe to receive more valuable guidance. Learning is an endless journey, and your future commences right now.
Sense the future. Like and subscribe.